guys did it. 1 like. Congratulations. Okay, so anyways, if you don't know what I'm talking about, basically a couple videos ago, I ordered a 2x2, which is really cool, and I said if you hit the like challenge, which was 1 like, I will order another Rubik's Cube. So I thought once you hit the like challenge that I would get a speed cube timer. You know, one of those things to, you know, that simple. So, I have my scissors. Let's get chopping. I'm sorry. Wait, I don't think I even need these because there's a seal. So here we are. This is the cube timer, and it's already opened, it seems like. It's a time machine, so hopefully we'll go back to 82. So let's see. That's it. Now, I think I need to put batteries in there. Not sure if that's a problem, but oh. Okay. A little tech deck. Oh. A little tech deck screwdriver. Let's see if this will work. Whoa, okay, so these are magnets. Ooh, slides in. Let's try this. Power on. And, oh, okay. So, if you see, no, it's not, stop, it hurts my, warning epilepsy, peoples. No way. I just got the luckiest thing ever. No way.